Still says offline. Oh, there we go. Starting. What was that, man? Apparently I've been streaming for 4 hours. Okay. So, audio. Audio is clipping. Hello, loud me. Turning myself down a bit. Don't know why I'm clipping. That should be a lot better, actually. Right there. Okay, good. We're good. So, Mr. Nevin Scott. He's I don't know, I was gonna say like something dank. How was the show? Very how was. It's all smelly. I don't know, I was gonna say like something dank. Anywho, let us begin this adventure. Hello, Mr. Bronner. So, guys, what I've gotten done so far is right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I am in the process of about ready to turn that off, the automatic thing. Anyway, it's not that big of a deal. I'm in the process of making it optional to use circle-based, so like this, circle-based events display. You can choose to do this with a note tag. Hello, Mr. Man Productions. I've also fixed the bug. Like, let's go get a random battle here real quick. Hang on. It'll also be optional to have the player as a circle as well. So yeah, now normally last time this happened, the map's information would get reset. And that's because the temp variable got reset as well, so I moved it. And I set it equal to the default from the beginning, and we got a little bit of work to do with this. But anyway, what do you guys think of the circle ideas for the events? I think it looks a lot better. I also need to kind of control the Z depth. So in order to do that, maybe I'll deactivate the map controls. So let's go back to here, like where we make the things. Console.log. Hang on. You know what? No, stop it. Thank you. Console.log. It's not main window. .z. Let's try regular.z. Because if not, it will get confusing. I just kind of started, basically. Oh. Anyway, where did I learn to code? I didn't technically go to a place to learn coding. If you want to learn to code, you can press F1 in RPG Maker. If you're looking for like any specific functions, and you can go down to the JS library here. For example, how to draw a circle, you would just go to bitmap. And you would see the draw circle function, and it tells you how to draw a circle with anything that has a bitmap, basically, I think is how it goes. Gonna close that and get back into this game. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it outputs, like when we output the Z. Z is undefined. Okay, Windows. .z is not there. Scenes. .z is not there. Objects. No? Huh. So, I really don't know of a current way to, I'm going to figure it out, because it's not, oh. See, we can put the window on the tile map. The upper layer Z is 4, the lower layer Z is 0. This is the array sorting here. And hey, Rashad. Okay. The Z index. Okay. So, we should be able to output Z index of the window. And it should, well, actually, if we, another thing you can do to get the functions and everything. Holy crap, you guys are here fast. But yeah, hi, Rashad. Anyway, another thing that we can do to find its values is just to output the variable itself, which has become the class, essentially. See our here name display? Oh. The underscore, I keep forgetting that. It could be underscore Z. Closing. Color frame or color tone. So we have these. Yeah, okay, here we go. This is the coordinates. Animation counts 192. I don't know what that is. Cursor off, cursor fixed. Height. So you can get the real height. You can get the scrolling and all that. Opening, openness. Up arrow sprite. Active, alpha. Origin. So that's how the point works. Scale, yeah, I don't know how to change the Z depth of it. Am I missing something? Do you guys see the, maybe it's in the object here. So the down arrow, sprite, cursor rectangle. Maybe it's the index? I think it's the index. I don't know. Like, how do we control what gets drawn first? You know what I mean? Like, I tried putting it before everything, but it still doesn't work. Hang on. Oh, you know what? I want to test that, and let's see how that works. No, yeah, it's just going to give an error. This dot create menu. I tried putting this above that. So let's go back to objects, and let's try an underscore Z. See, this is all zoom stuff. But I'm pretty sure we're bound to find... No, it just loops back in that. Hey, Pocket Monsters, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I've tried Z-index stuff. See, we have the Z function here. Now let me try something. Let me see if we can manually do the Z, because we have the layers and everything. Hi, 8-bit Star Fox. Now let's try this. No pun intended. This dot Z equals 999. Now let's try 3, and it should be under the front tiles if we do 3. If it works right. And it doesn't. That kind of annoys me a little bit. Let's try... Me and the PMU are the same person. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Now, how in the world can I control? Here, let's look back at the help file again. I already closed it, didn't I? Yeah. So, okay. Let's go back to the JS library. Let's go to bitmap. Graphics. That bag. Thank you. Let's try Windows. Let's go to Window. Margin padding, margin padding. It's just size-based stuff. Wait, maybe we can do .bitmap. Because the window does... The contents themselves do have a bitmap. So let's output that. Or no, let's output the contents. Let's check out the contents. No, I want to play it smart. Like, I actually want to not be lazy with it. Here we go. Now here's, I think, where we have the Z depth. So it's contents, and which is a branch off of the bitmap here. Image is loading URL, which I believe we should get. There should be a Z depth here. Okay, so let's try outputting the Z index of the contents. We should be able to change that. Okay, no, that's undefined. But it is a bitmap. So we know that. And bitmaps do have the .z variable, as far as we know. Which is probably going to be undefined again. Yeah, it's undefined. Underscore Z? I'm going to figure this out, dang it. Undefined. Oh, let's look through the variables again. Underscore Z index first. It's undefined. How do you determine what was made first? Let me try this real quick. Hang on. No. I want to be able to control it in real time. I don't want to. So let's just output the contents again, and like, let's not be hasty with it. What up, 8-bit? Okay. Sure. I mean, I mean, I don't see any reason not to trust you. I mean, I have like 1 million mods already, but it's fine. Oh, you found it, Dev? Hold on, guys. Let's check out what Dev sent. Add window is a function of implemented by MV itself and adds objects to a specific layer and creates another. However, it is not desired behavior. An unwanted occurrence of putting multiple things in the same layer is that if they overlap, they override each other. But I need my Z indexes. Oh, so we have to make it happen. I can do the array sorting, but... Oh my gosh. See, I can do this. This is no problem. But we're going to have to put everything in a container, including the entire map. That's the issue. Hmm. See, if I call the other windows first, it's still in front. What? Oh, stupid thing. There. Hmm. Hey, Shailish, by the way, and it's okay, Creeper. Welcome to the stream, by the way, you guys. See, watch, it's still in front. No matter what, it's always in front, even if it gets created first. Oh, this is kind of obnoxious. So we're gonna have to do like this incredibly stupid thing. Hang on. I highly doubt it. It's probably going to be undefined. I just want to see what if it is. Yeah, it's undefined. Dang. No. It won't, Bev. How are we going to do this? Hold on. Let me go back to the help thing real quick. I need the contents thing. Let's do no contents opacity. Well, that's the thing. You'll have to relocate the minimap, man. Like every time there's a message showing up or anything like that. Basically, Shale, what I'm trying to do is, okay, with the way MV handles windows, there's no Z depth. So you can see my minimap here that I made, we're making right now. As you can see, it's always in front. And there's nothing I can do about that, actually. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I would have to modify everything, like how it all works. And I don't even know where to begin with that. Also, hey, hold on. Excuse me. Hey, Super Steven. Welcome to the stream. Well, ooh. That's actually a good idea. Dude, 8-bit, thank you. That's a great idea. There's so much I need to do with this still, though. Okay. Right here. Minimap show key. Okay. HTML key down codes. Oh, this is. Alright. 77 is the value. And I'm only going to have it work if Should we have like a sliding animation as well? Like you can just like slide it out of the way. Oh, there's so much I want to do with this. I thought I was going to be close to done, but no, we still got a lot of work to do on this mini map. So I might as well get it out of my head now that it's going to be done soon because it's really not. So yeah, guys, in that case, since we got to be patient with it anyways, what do you say we add a animation choice, like fade out animation, or yeah, and you can choose the X and Y that it moves to. If you choose slide, you can choose where it moves by X and Y. 380 hashtag 420. Just kidding. Check Discord. Guys, we're checking Discord. All right. Anyway, Discord. Hang on, let me open up the chat again. Whoa, what is this? I have no idea what in the world Dev just posted. Held your titties. Let me resize the Discord window. Hashtag. Hashtag Discord. Okay, the dog's barking at something. Okay, just seen that prototype. What is this, Devon Scott? Let's see. What the fudge nipples? All right, let me finish adding the params first, and then I'll see the thing with the thing. Oh, wait a minute. It's create window layer. That's what I'll look at, actually. Dude, Dev, thank you. Let me look at that right now, actually. Create window layer. Layer. No. Core? No. Scenes? Oh, that goes in the create window layer thing? What you were talking about, actually? What is happening? Oh, scene map.create window layer. I didn't even... I gotta look for the scene map one. Oh, here we go. Oh! Dev, thank you. I was doing it wrong. Okay. Why is it not even here? What? That's not even here. How's it calling something that doesn't exist? I'm so confused. Oh, it's in scene base. Now, hi Zyle. Devin's helping me create a Z depth for the windows so we can control it. Ugh. By control it, I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm derp. All right. So the code that Devin gave me on Discord, I'm not gonna use the exact same, obviously, but RPG scenes. Yeah, the scene base. Okay, that's where we're at now. Width equals subbox width. Yeah, we got that. Height. We got all that. X, Y. We got all that. Yada yada. Create new layer. Oh, it's the exact same. Alright, well. Var Z, I guess. We're just going to make a Z depth here. Well, I don't want to do it in that. Like, I want to... We're gonna alias it. Want to do it above the scene map. Am I going on the wrong one again? How's this even happening? What is going on right now? Which one am I at? Is this the old one? Is this the new one? Yeah, okay, this is the new one. This is the old one. What the? What is even happening? Okay, yeah, this is the new one. All right, anyway, I want to have it. We're going to alias this. But how do we... Okay, yeah, we're giving it a z variable, but we need to have the thing that updates it as well. And, okay, we're on... Okay, I think I know what to do now. We're good. Var mm scene base alias equals create window layer here. sb alias dot call this var z equals, hang on, zero. Now for the update thing, update layers, yeah. Come on. How do we even begin to do the update window layer things? Or whatever it was called. See, how does this even work? It doesn't make any sense because that's not going to change the way they're drawing. All we're doing is sorting out some variables. Oh, that children house. Oh, we're sorting the... Oh, okay. No, I know how it works now. Okay. Oh, guys, it's so much easier now. I say as I'm probably going to fail. So, yeah, we don't need to alias that. I think I figured it out. Anyway, Zyle, what we're trying to do is... okay, what I need to do is, like the tutorial showed, I need to put everything in a container and sort out the children. Problem is, I have to do that for the for all of the windows, which is no problem now because, yeah. So I can control if the map is in front or behind of the other windows. I tried making the map get created before the other windows, but for some reason it's still in front. So, but I think I know how we're going to do that now. Scene map, prototype, initialize, create all maps. Create all windows, that's what I need to look for. This dot create message window, which does that. So we're gonna have to alias all of the window creations and put them in a container, then we can sort out. No wait, there should be, no wait, we shouldn't have to do that. Hang on, let me console log game map dot children. I think that's how it works. Oh, let me look at the thing again. It's an array. So it should return as an array. It's not a function. So. Ah, it's undefined. But how? We're doing the add child thing. The MV script documentation sucks. It's kind of, yeah. So according to that one guide, like we're gonna have to if we're gonna want to sort the windows out, we're gonna have to put everything in a container, then sort it out that way by using by sorting the children's array. So how do we? Okay, I think I'm like really close to figuring it out. I'm gonna figure it out like extremely soon. I don't know what this is though. Like, I've never seen this before. So we're gonna try and make this. I don't know what it does. So we're gonna try it, and we're just gonna console log it. Because I have zero idea what the Pixie thing is. I know it's a JavaScript thing that someone made, but I don't know. Hold on now. See, that's what I'm saying. It's not going to work right. Set child index, really? Hold on, let me. What are you attaching the window? Should. Let's see. Console.log this dot. It should like tell me the function. Alright, I'm just gonna look it up in the thing actually. I'm guessing it would be in the bitmap area. No? Graphics. No, it's not there either. Stage. I think it's in stage. Yeah, see, here's the add child thing and add child at. You can remove child at. When you get a call from an Pixie.display container. Yeah, apparently though the so the set child index that should rearrange the things, right? I was right earlier. It was the index thing, but I didn't know that function existed. But wait, am I doing something wrong? What did I do? Okay, so let's try the index thing. So this dot set child index. I'm guessing we have to do the thing. This dot border window. Let's try. You need to call it on the object so that you can attach the window to. Okay, I think I get what Zyle is saying. Index is out of bounds. Okay. If I remember right, the default index thing was -1, like when we... Okay, so right now I think we just changed it to behind the tile layer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we just, we successfully moved it behind the thing. First, console.log. I'm gonna see the initial. I don't. It's not parented to anything as far as I know. I'm just using the this. It's the create minimap thing. That's what I need. I need to put it in a the Pixie container thing that you mentioned, display object container, and then I can sort everything out. But I'm actually curious about this real quick. Or was it underscore index? I think it was underscore index. Yeah, index is out of bounds. So let's do 1. I think we're successfully setting the Z. Okay, yeah. So we are successfully setting the Z depth. Okay, yep, there we go. I got the background behind that. Yes! Victory! Thank you, dude. It was the set child index, and it was parented to the scene map, which is great. Excellent. So now we can set all these to 1, and there we go. We have it. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, that was so stressful for some reason. That was like way more stressful than it needed to be. Player display, and then name window. So 0, by the way, as far as the depth goes, 0 is the tiles that are on the ground, and 4 are the tiles that are above this. So if I'm right, it'll also go under the tiles that are like that. So I need to kind of, or no, it won't. Good. They're all 1, so I need to do 2. Maybe I can do decimal based. I don't know. So far, those who don't know, Amazon is giving out free copies of Dragon Quest 8 and iOS. Really? Oh. So let's see. Yes! We did it! Yatta. I miss Heroes. Anyone ever seen that show, Heroes? It was a really good show. Alright. So the circles look pretty nice. Like the little round thing indicator. Now let's go back to functionality since we're able to control the Z-depth now. Yeah. I might really start getting into using Atom. I don't really know yet. I downloaded it, but I think it got deleted by my antivirus for someone. No, it didn't. Okay, it's still there. Anyway, yeah. Atom is good, especially with active power mode. What's active power mode? And thank you, Nathan. I'm glad you like it. Okay. So now that I'm more awake than I was last night, even though I had like 4 or 5 hours of sleep, I feel a lot more energetic than I did yesterday because yesterday I didn't have much sleep at all. Like, it sucked. So let's go ahead and implement the function that allows the sliding animation, where you can control sliding or fading animation, so that when you press M or whatever other keys you define, you can hide the minimap. Was it really 77? Oh my gosh. You know what? Close all Steam windows. And I think I'm actually going to go offline on Steam as well, just in case. Oh, this bug gonna make Animator have a burst effect. Cool. Okay, I'm definitely gonna check out Atom. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it during the stream. Probably not, but I'm definitely gonna check out Atom. Like, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, M is the 77. Button to show or hide the mini map. Now we're gonna have like all kinds of functions here. Mini map. Oh, come on! Did I? I need to fix these explanations here. Will this work with Yamfly's button command? What do you mean? Oh, maybe it should. It's using the input directly, so it shouldn't really interfere with anything, as far as I know. So the key. There we go. Button to show or hide the minimap. Minimap show / hide animation. Type of animation Will it blend? That's a good question. All right. Type of animation used. Okay, how should the description be? It doesn't matter. Used for hiding / showing the minimap. I'll have it in the help file, like what kind of animations you can use. Speaking of help file, you guys, I'll show you how I did it in a second here. I got fancy with it. Let's do slide. Hi, Dark Tyler. You don't see it, then why not? Anyway, how long have I been streaming? 41 minutes already. No way. Oh, that is... No, there's no way, dude. Events and everything still take forever to open. But as you can see, this is how you add... Come on. Are you kidding it? Come on. Come on. Thank you. As you can see, this is how you add... You just use this command here. You set the RGB, RGBA, or hex thing to define what the event looks like on the minimap when it's displayed. Writing and setting up the plugin parameters is the most tedious thing to do. I know, right? Soul Power. If you're ever going to do anything with regions, do what I did, dude. And what I did was, as you can see, I have a generator here. It basically just generates all the params for the regions for me. And that saved me a butt ton of time. And yeah, it definitely saves a lot of stuff because it's nowhere near as tedious as typing it yourself. I was typing it myself at first, but then I realized that there was 255 regions. Well, 256 because of 0, but... And I was like, nope! So I just like wrote a little generator. What was I doing? Oh yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the help file. So I kind of fancified the commands here. I might erase this, I don't know yet. You got the command and you have the different types of things that you can do, and you have an example of how to use it. Oh, that's a typo there anyway. But yeah, I thought it looked kind of neat, but I don't know. It kind of also looks... it's not too bad. It's not really too hard to read, I guess. I don't know. You guys say, should we keep it like that? I don't know. People probably get mad at it. I think I'll decorate it a different way. So the collision key is 77, which is M. Show hide animation. Let's go ahead and finish setting that up, actually, because I'm getting distracted again. And then for the X and Y, minimap, show hide, hide X, and then hide Y. I'm just gonna have that 0, and then we're just gonna have it slide up. Where the window, where the mini map moves when it's hidden. When it hides. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Like, don't see why. What don't you see, man? Also, by the way, welcome, Soul Power. Sorry if I didn't say that earlier. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Okay. Functions. What else am I missing? Oh, yeah. Right now, currently, the events. I'm going to make all kinds of stuff, dude. I'm going to make a beacon effect. So much. This minimap's going to have so much. Oh, yeah, and for those who don't know, it's automatic now. You can use the optional region drawing. But why not? You're an Amazon. Let me, I don't know why I didn't do that yet. Anyway, I need to stop getting distracted. I need to stay focused. Freaking ADHD. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the player locator is what also handles the events. And what I did was I googled and the tablets browser. Huh? Good that you're energetic about it. I know, dude. But what we were saying earlier, it is tedious and it does. Thanks, dude. Yeah, the ability to combine it with regions, because regions, everything can have an RGBA coloring now, so you can like make it higher up, and like you can see like the wall gets a little bit lighter there because the higher it is, the lighter the coloring of things. And like I have some regions for the water here too in the buildings, and it just adds like this kind of nice looking height based illusion thing. I can't English, but it adds like this illusion of height to the thing. And I'm so glad we were able to change the index of it. There are some things that still don't work, such as the name thing. It doesn't hide the name, but I can figure all that out later. Commend your focus and dedication to one plugin. Looking as is now, it's probably the most advanced Minimap plugin yet. Thank you, dude. It's going to be extremely amazing. Like I'm gonna have things where you can. Some of the new I saw are basing their drawing by rehashing the whole sprite set and then changing via colors and slash bitmap. That sounds very tedious. I don't know why anyone in their right mind would like do it like that. That's kind of that sounds a little bit obnoxious. Like I think I would have died from atomic boredom trying to figure out how that would even work. All I did was get the collision map, thanks to Zyle's like feedback, and then from there I just kept getting new ideas. Anyway, what the beacon will basically do, Soul Power, is like if you set up an event and you give it the a note tag, the beacon note tag. If I were to code a minimap, I would just use images. I mean, who cares? Right? That's what I was using images and events at first. But I wanted something more. Like I really wanted to get into the whole coding thing, and watching your tutorials, Soul Power, that's actually kind of what motivated me to finally start programming and not be lazy about it. But yeah, back to the beacon thing. It'll blink if you set up the event to do it. You'll be able to define the color, the radius of its blinking, and it'll like shoot out like a small circle, and like it'll continuously blink in like a circular thing. If that makes sense? Yeah, fill the pictures folder with whenever you your maps. Yeah, that's the way I was doing it before, but that's actually takes a lot longer than just like, especially for a huge game, you're gonna spend more time making mini maps with images than you are actually just kind of programming on. But it's not about how long it takes, it's about how long you can stay dedicated to one thing. So then, let's see. Okay, yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, I need to make some variables here actually. So we need to make another variable here. It doesn't need to be active or anything. It doesn't need to be a param. If show, show events, lowercase that, equals true. Now the problem is, it's not gonna like all the settings that you change via plugin commands. Currently, they're not going to be saving to the save file. And welcome back, 8-bit. Congrats on such progress. Thank you, Riku. 9 watching, sweet. But yeah, I might need to look at the reply that Soul Power gave me to figure out how I can properly alias the make save contents thing. He showed me the other day. It's just like I was looking at it and I was tired and I just kind of forgot about it. It's still in the Twitter chat though. Matter of fact, I think I should do that now. I think we should make it to where we can save all the variables. No, I'll do that last, actually. You can just place them in an object net is loaded in the database. You can? How do you do that? Like, is it super simple and I'm derping again? I hate when I do that. Oh, well, that happened. Anyway, I do that a lot. Like, sometimes I'll overlook some of the most simplest things. Oh, actually, I know how I would do that. I know how I can do that. What I'll do is I'll place all the values or something into an array. And then... Yeah, okay, that's what I'll do. I'll place all the values into an array later on, like when I'm about finished with a script. And then I'll just alias the game system thing. And then I'll alias the game system to create the array. And then place all the information there. Yeah, okay. But we would have to modify the extract save contents though, so that way all my values become the array entries. It shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be that hard at all, actually. I will definitely do that. Now, what was I gonna do here? What was I gonna do? Oh, the stupid event thing. I'm getting so distracted right now. Like with my own thoughts. It's kind of horrible. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And it's like, all right. So it doesn't matter the order of these right now. So show events. MM show events equals args 0. And that's all we have to do for there. Let me go ahead and add that, though, to the bottom of the help file so I know to update that. Okay. Anyway, so. Let's go ahead and do it. I have so much. I really need to comment some of this. Good thing for this comment, I just would have overlooked the whole thing, man. If mm show events is equal to true, then we're going to draw the events. Waffle chips. Now I need to add another if statement thing here, but that's going to be later. So now let me try. Hi Waffle House, by the way. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. So let's see if it let's see if that works. UPPM show events false. So is this event? Okay, there we go. Now all the events hide. So there we go. So that's working. Let me make an optional choice to see if true works as well. I mean, it should, but who knows? Hey, Link. Just got home. Things are really major. Not really. We have the circle event now thing, where objects will appear as circles should you choose so, but the choosing of that is not implemented yet. Oh, duh, I didn't set it to true. That scared me, man. Why gotta scare me like that? Should make a demo version of the game shorter or longer. It really depends. Depends on how much of the game you want people to play, really. So it's setting it to, oh, I know what's going on. It's setting it to a string. So, for some reason, especially like when, even here, like even the params, I know the number function and I know string, but I don't know how to change it into a Boolean. Because, yeah, so we're just going to set it to true like that way. Because basically, when you set it, even with the plugin commands, it becomes a string rather than, for some unknown reason. As you can see there, now it's working. Even if what you're having isn't a string, I don't know how to convert a string to Boolean. Like, the contents of a string, I don't know how to apply that to a Boolean. Good. How do you do that, Soul Power? We're making a horror game where memes and each other's... What? Memes and other freaks want to kill you. They kill you good, dead. It's RPG horror hybrid. Will you record demo? I plan to make it short. It's gonna be scary. Game is called Slender Memes. I don't know. I gotta start. I gotta finish doing the RPG Maker shoutouts, but like I don't know. I've been so focused on streaming and making this plugin that I'm kind of not motivated to do the. Oh, the eval command. I forgot about that. Oh. Dude, I forgot about that. It basically, for anyone who doesn't know, if I remember right, the eval command basically runs said string as a script, I believe. I hear it's like really slow for large things, though. If I remember. If it's a command I'm thinking about. Region clear. Show you, here we go. So we just do eval and then we do the argument. So now we can go back down here and it should work. Instead of doing like this, we can actually do true or false, like the real true and false. Good. Yay! Thank you, Soul Power. I completely forgot about that command. One of the ways to make the string becomes true or false depending on what the string is. Setting everything to false. They're written true. Yeah, that's another way to do things. But dude, I like thank you, dude, for reminding me of the eval command, because now I can turn all this stuff here into actual true and false, like Minimap use CM, start map hidden. Now this I can do. I can keep that. Okay, start map hidden. Okay, you know what? Before I even forget what happened, start map hidden needs to be evaluated to a Boolean. So show player. We're gonna evaluate that. Hold on. No wait. No, that doesn't need to be evaluated. We're good on that one. Star map hidden. This needs to be evaluated. And you play as a raging neo-Russian kiddo. What happens if... Wait, what? What happens if the minimap if I resize the screen to 1280? Nothing will happen. It'll just be at the top corner. It'll be wherever you want to place it. You can place it using X and Y coordinates. And you can change the scale as well. It's completely customizable. Hey, Zenwing, what's up, dude? Not much, man. Okay, hold on, let me show you what I have so far, Zen. This needs to be true or false as well. So we're going to do evaluate on that. Oh, you know, I can erase the event colors because these don't exist anymore. Yeah, okay, good. We don't use those anymore. We use based on a person's choice now. Like, we don't have eval. We're gonna show custom name. Border. That needs to be true or false. Size. Okay, I think I'm kind of overdoing something here. I hope by evaluating all this, like this way. Oh man, I gotta do all kinds of stuff now. So there shouldn't be any errors. I might actually just go with the strings because of how much I've Jovian. Yeah, some of the things aren't working right because the true and false hasn't been evaluated properly. So I'm actually just gonna stick with the older strings for now. Except for this. Unfortunately, I have to do it that way because of like how much I already have coded and I don't even know where to begin with stuff. And for that reason, I'm not going to actually use the eval thing at all. So I'm just going to keep it a string. Unfortunately, that's like the only way because I don't want to mess anything up that I'm not going to be able to fix. Okay, so we need to go back up here and set true to true. It's easier than eventing and such. Programming? Not really. It's depends on what you want to do. Like the minimap thing. And thank you, Zenwing. Like the minimap thing, for example. As you can see, we have like complete functionality here. We have all kinds of stuff you can do with this. This minimap is very customizable, and I'm gonna have like we're gonna make a lot of stuff, which I'm gonna start working on right now. So I need to go back down here because I want to define if you can use or like I want you to be able to see like this, for example. Now we're gonna check for another thing. UPB mini use circle is equal to true. So all we need to do now is this. Dot circle equals get event meta, and then we need to do this. Console.log oops, needs to be shown events. dot circle. So I need to there's so many people who use RTB assets because I don't have any current other tile sets and I'm doing things with scripting at the moment. So let's do our new command here. True. So it should output the word true. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, I need to do dot prototype, don't I? I think I need to do dot prototype. Prototype of undefined, what? How do I, oh, how would I? Huh, that figures. See, I can, dot colors, you know, it already exists, so. Yeah, the color thing already exists. How do I add a variable right now to, like, the, thing? Frick. Okay, I'm kind of running into a little issue now. You know what? No. Okay, I'm just gonna have it one major option where you can yeah, I'm gonna have it a param where you can also set it via the command function. I'm not gonna have it through the eventing note tag. So let's go ahead and make that a param. First, I'm gonna go ahead and do the if statement for it. Okay, where was it? Right here. So switch event circles case false. Break case true. Break. Of course, I need to do the things like this because I don't want to go back and correct all my stuff just in case I mess something up. Because I don't know where uses what. So I'm still gonna stick with the strings. Right now, circles is undefined, obviously, so we're gonna go ahead and define it. Rar. Well, I'm gonna define it up here because we're gonna make it a param equals params, and we're gonna do this. Events use circle indicator and player use circle indicator. So let's go back up here and towards the top because we have like 255 params for this. Okay. Custom name color. I need to go back. I need to find like the area that controls the show player. Here we go. Show player area. Player uses. What was it? Circle indicator. I think it was all caps. Pretty sure. Welcome back, 8-bit. Determine the player. Locator uses a circle. And then we're going to do the events thing. Events use circle indicator. Determine if events use event indicator. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we're gonna set them to true as the default. So now we got that, and it should work. But now we're going to do the thing for the player here as well. If show player is equal to true, which I need to go set that up as well. Wait, I already have a show player. There's P Minimap show player. Switch case true. Wait, case false first. So guys, after this we're gonna be working on the beacon, so that's gonna be fun. Case true. This dot contents dot draw circle. I'm just gonna have all the params here, or not params, freaking A. Break. So now the player icon should not show because some random error. Line 1692. Oh, what? I didn't know how that got there. Why? Okay, what error now? Oh, no. There's no error this time. I didn't refresh the plugin. So the value was undefined. It was null. Therefore, it wasn't showing anything because it didn't meet either condition. There we go. I need to change the size of the player icon, though. I just need to divide it by 2 since it's radial base. It's kind of... Each side has the size. So you want to have it like where it's divided by 2. All right. Yay. So res W. Oh, that's for the events. I was going to say, like, what? There you go. So then, Soul Power, what do you think of the circles? The engine should auto-refresh the plugin. Well, I think they forgot about that. I know, right? But it doesn't for some unknown reason. There we go. I love it. I love the way the circles look. They're so nice. Now we're going to make the beacons. Well, actually, I need to go ahead and make some plugin commands that will that will change. Actually, I need to do a lot of stuff. For example, I wasn't planning on a lot of stuff, so I set it up in a weird way. Thank you, Soul. I set it up in a weird way where the plugin command to hide the show player would actually just hide the entire window. But now, P Minimap show. What? What was it called? It was show player, right? Yeah. Equals false. Wait, I don't need to do that. What am I doing this for? Why did I even... I knew I was tired, man, when I was doing stuff like that. Equals arg0. Why? Alright. So now, hiding and showing the player should actually just hide the player instead of hiding all the events as well. Ace's damage generator to make the damage formula for MV. No, I have not tried that. I need to update these because they don't work either. Okay, there we go. Yeah, now the player's hidden, but the events are there. Oh, there we go. All right. Hmm. What else? What else? Oh yeah, I freaking A. I keep forgetting. We're gonna make these extra plugin commands here. Show events. Well, that was quick. Now we can show and hide the events via command. Now I just need to, oh. I already made that. See, I told you I'm tired. I just gotta delete one of the show event things. Here we go. Wait. I put them right underneath each other, didn't I? Or the other show events. I gotta, okay, where's the other one? I'm gonna organize a little bit. This is show events thing. Wait a minute. There. Uh, hmm. Show player. Show events. Okay. Now I'm going to do the thing where you can set each thing for the thing. UPP M player circle. There we go. Now we can determine. Now we have a plugin command. If you want to change your thing with a thing. Player circle and event circle. Basically, if you want to change stuff to make it work better. Circles to squares. Jeez, my brain. Okay. Now what else? The beacon? Should we work on the beacon right now? I think we should do the beacon like right now. Question is. No, wait, never mind. Okay, good. Hey, Soul Power. Do you know how I can add a variable to this? Hold on, let me go back to the things. To the events down here. Hold on. Right here. Like right now, I can set dot color and all that. But if I try to set another variable, it won't work. So let's try, for example, Minimap events. Dot test equals 55. It won't do that. And I've tried dot prototype. And that doesn't work either. Wait, what? I made a typo last time, didn't I? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. Really? You gotta be kidding me. Well, please. I need sleep law. I do need sleep. But now I'm running into another issue. I don't want to do multiple loops for the beacons. Actually, no. The beacon looping would not matter, really. Since you're only going to have like one beacon, the for loop's going to be so tiny, the performance impact's going to be negligible anyway, so. Hi, name 2. Instead of me, I'm a new YouTuber, please. Sub, please. Sub for sub. Subway, eat fresh. Alright, anyway. My brain is taking a dookie again. Okay. I'm all over the place with this. Minimap events, minimap beacons. Shown beacons. There we go. Now we're good. You're a hooker. There we go. You read this. Okay, so EM beacon. Console logging the thing so I can. Shown bacons. Alright. So, if I'm right, when I give this character the symbol of a beacon, or I'm so full of derp right now. If I give him the note tag beacon, let's do RGBA 0.5. Just for a test, it should output that. Can you sub me, please? I must read this. Can like somebody let him know, like, hold on, you know what? Alright, anyway, and it does, they're here, okay, we gotta find it. Should have outputted somewhere. Okay, you know what, I gotta, close out the other console log. Steal your pizza too? Oh my gosh. So it's not reading. Oh, that's why. Hang on. There wasn't a bracket at the beginning. Or like little pointy thing, less than, greater than. Oh, and Riku, I need to make you a mod, because you've been here for like a really long time. Like, I know I have like 1,000,000 mods already, but you know what, man? Hey, the more the merrier. Also, I give mods to people that I trust. So, link his channel. So, let's see, what was I doing? Oh, yeah. Should output, oh, yep, there it is, RGBA, there it is. My metadata is screwing up, it seems. Or no, there's just no space, I think. Son of a hooker. Dang it. And you know what, Condos, you've been here for like a really long time. I guess I can make you a mod as well. Because you've been watching my streams forever as well. So I'm going to make you a mod. Oh, it's not, you can only do one. Hey, Soul Power. Can you help with something real quick? If you're still here. I actually don't know what the commands are for YouTube mods. But yeah, cool village name. I know, right? That'd be awesome if one of the mods spawned free cheese. Is Soul Power still here, though? I don't know how to do, like, the tagging thing. Wait, view active users. Apparently, I'm the only active viewer, according to, That's a glitch. Okay, Soul, I want to know why, if I try to output the metadata for some reason, it just returns as null. But if I, it's weird. Hang on. Let's try this, for example. Console.log data map.events.meta. I think it was .meta. It shows what the note tag says. Like, it outputs it. It does object, and you can see right here, the UPP mini add thing right there, for example. But if I try to do this, making it all case proper as well, if I do that, it returns as null. Even if I, like, put it down after all the eventing stuff right here. See, watch. Like, if, what about September 1st? Like, what's September 1st? Anyway, it's undefined. See, it returns undefined. I have no idea why. Condos, please don't ban random people, seriously. On. Nathan or whoever. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so I don't understand why. It shows the meta is there, but you man, my left ear. Anyway, but when you try to take, why am I going here? When you try to actually access the meta, it becomes undefined. And it doesn't make any sense. Creeper, stop spamming cookies, please. Yeah, I don't really get it. Maybe it's just, that. Like, maybe... No, of course that doesn't, I don't know why I didn't, I don't know why I thought that would work. But yeah, so, like, we ended up, me and this one person, forgot who, he helped me with the thing, yesterday during the stream to kind of grab the metadata through a different way, string parsing or something. I forgot. It's in a script above, but I don't understand why the meta can't be accessed. Some of you dudes, I'm a new YouTuber. Really, I'm gonna read this. Dude, come on, name 2. Seriously, stop. Oh, it made me hungry. And condos, please try not to spam as well. Oh, if I was on something with the exact event, you can check the event's current page list instead. What do you mean the current page list? I always wondered, how did you learn JavaScript? I didn't really technically learn it. I just kind of started doing things and then... Condos, please, dude. Chill, dude. Say my name in video. Have high voice and a stop. No. Sorry. But yeah, what do you mean, soul power? Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Dev. My henchman. Let's see. So okay, hold on. What event is this? I want to see something. Since Soul Power said it might have to do with the ID. This is the ID of 4. So if we do 4.meta, it should output the object, and it should contain the variable there that we had. Yeah. Both things are there. What even happened? Why did I do that? So yeah, I'm gonna try and copy this, and we're gonna see now. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it's not .meta something. Maybe it's just the variable. First, we're gonna see that. Yeah, it's also undefined. An example would be that it needs to be created with datamap. I tried to create a new event. I logged it as console.log. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that console logging. Oh, no problem, Nathan. So, let's do 4. That's also undefined for me. Huh. But it's so weird because like the meta shows that it's there, but you just can't access it. Like, I don't know, that kind of bugs me. Let's see. Freaking Riku. Yeah, like this, right? Right, Soul Power? Datamap.events, ID.meta, your name tag here. What if I put this through the update thing again. So let's have it updated. So it constantly spans it. Yeah, it stays undefined, even though the meta is actually there. It doesn't make any sense. Unless I'm missing something obvious, which I probably am. It's excellent. Really, Riku? Really, bro? Center of reference. That's what I'm wondering, dude. Like I don't know what you're referencing. Okay, dude. It's cool, Dev. I know this part's boring, by the way, for other people, and I really do apologize. But you know, for people who, I mean, this would technically be boring for anyone because I'm just here. It's just me bickering on about not being able to do something. Uh, okay. I got a different idea then. I'm gonna find out how I can access the event's comment tag instead of the notes. Like going to comments, for example. Do comment. Comment. No. Would that count as meta? Like if I added something? Let me see if that actually counts. Because if that counts as meta as well, if that's the comment tag, it should be .note. Oh. Yeah, that one has nothing. See, UPB mini ad, it shows that the things are there. .note. Let's try .note. You're a hooker. Yeah, see, the .note thing is basically the comment thing at the top. See, that one's empty. Like, we can check, we can kind of write our own parsing system. All right, later, Dev. Okay, hold on. I want to see if this still works. So we have the color system here. Test 5. Test 2. I want to see if the parsing thing still works. Yeah, it still colors everything. It still colors everything just fine. So maybe the value will still get added, even if we do the beacon thing. Fudge all of the nips, man. Because I really need to just grab the metadata, but I can't grab it. Hold on. var test equals data map dot events for dot meta. I'm just gonna put this up here somewhere real quick. Console.log test. Hang on. The data map is strange. Yeah, see, here's the test variable. We just applied it. So now we need to create meta for the event 4. There it is. Meta test is true. So now, let me, let's do meta, let's do test 4. Now we should be able to do test.test, and that shouldn't be undefined. Because it shows, okay, hang on, because I'll check out, yeah, okay, that's what I was, yeah, it's still undefined for me. What the fat booby lard? Well, let me try, it could be a script that's for some reason messing up the meta. So let's try this real quick. Let's try his thing. 4. I'm just going to do .test because test already exists on the 4th event. But for me, it's, watch, it's going to go undefined. Yeah, see, undefined. What was that? For some reason, I think it has to do with where it's being done. So let's try it in the draw area here. It's kind of stupid if that's the case, because that would annoy the living crap out of me. But we tried updating it after everything was created, and it still doesn't work. So I'm going to try it putting it in there, which always gets updated. Yeah, it's undefined. It's always undefined. Oh, what the hell is going on with this? This makes no dang sense. See, if we just console log x, broken gauntlet. See, if we just console log x, obviously, you know, you can see right there, test is 4. So confused. Am I setting up my meta properly? Is it because the way I'm doing tags? Okay, guys, is it test 4 like that? Is that how you set up meta? Or do you have to do like an underline before it? No, it's still undefined. What the? Maybe it has to be defined in this. Var test equals data map. See, this is kind of stupid here. Because this gets done before everything loads. So there's no way it would have to be done within this. So I don't understand it. Events for dot meta. console.log test. And that's not going to work. It's going to throw an error because it doesn't exist yet. See, it's still undefined anyways. Everything's undefined. I don't understand it. Even with the map meta, dude, none of the meta is working for me at all. Like, we had to write a little parse thing for this. Hold on. Let me try putting the script. No, it's not gonna do any good. Let me disable every other script, just in case that there is something that's messing up the meta. No, it's still undefined. So it's not a script that's messing up my metadata. So what is it? Well, whatever. Anyway, we're just gonna do it like the original for now. Get rid of that. Why is the pierce animation labeled as stick? Oh, like you're gonna stick it. Never mind. That can come across as quite inappropriate. So let's do. Oh my gosh. And beacon color. Because since we can't use meta, we got to use like multiple note tags. And that bugs me. That bugs the frick out of me. It's not my memory. It's basically, I just know like where the chunks of things are. Like I know what to look for. And most of it is perimeter settings anyways. So it's not really a lot of coding. It's just why is meta not working? You know, I'm Googling this. Seeing if anyone else posted this in the forums. Maybe. I already checked this. See, this is the parsing note tags thing. How about something like this? Whatever. I'm not gonna read all that. I'm testing open. Wait a minute. No. Let's watch this random person scripting tutorial. Oh, it's Soul Powers.
What's up, dude?
Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of skip ahead a little bit.
All the card data actors, so
Yeah, actors. I mean, we can try that real quick. We can try how he's doing it. So, let's try something here. Let's see if it's us. Like, let's see if this weird issue is just my game for some unknown reason. So cold there? Toasters. All toasters. Toast, toast. Console.log. Data actors. One.meta. Let's do the same thing. Shyness. So let's go ahead and go back to RPG Maker. Huh. Shyness 5. I think I know what's going on. Guys, I think I actually know what's going on. No, that's undefined too. Okay, I need to go to Documents, Games. Let's do, it was Project 1. JS, plugins. The Minimap. Meta test, JS, plugins. Now, okay, I'm going to be trying this on a completely new... You can tell one hand doing stuff. One hand talking. Let's see. Let's do our minimap. All right, so let's okay, right now we don't have anything set up for the meta for the first character. No, what am I doing? Should work. No, it's still undefined. Okay, what am I doing wrong? This makes no dang sense at all.
I will test our code.
Hold on, let's see how he set his meta up.
And then
Oh! That actually happened. Guys, here's the hilarious thing that I was doing wrong. Oh my gosh. I forgot to put the freaking, the colon. I knew I was missing something simple. Oh, I do that all the time. Like, I'll be, like, struggling looking for something, and it's right in front of me. Undefined still. Fag munch. No, I thought... Oh, data actors, that's why. Guys, if it was this simple, I'm going to, like... I'm just going to be done. Like, done? Like, done, son? Like, I have to pee really bad? Anyway, if it was that simple... What? Meta of undefined. What? Datamap.events. Oh! Now I'm getting now I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh. There it is! It works! Why? whole time, all the problems could have been avoided with that. Frickin' stupidity. Oh, I'm retarded. Oh, I'm retarded. Oh. Guys, this opens up so much more possibilities, so many more. But I gotta pee, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay. So I'm guessing soul power left. I cry. I cry. Anyway, oh well, just gotta wait. Play some other music in the BG. Oh, okay. Now we can do this a lot different. If data map dot events I dot meta dot upp mini add like if that exists. This is also very important because for some reason it'll bug if you don't have that. Then it does these. Yes! So we do the color, which would be args 0. No, the color is going to be at the end. So we're going to do, how we're going to have to do a for loop for that. All of the nipples have been fudged. Every single frickin' one of them. Okay, anyway, back to the chat. Now my brain's melted. Mini map events shown events dot beacon equals meta 0, which is the first. Beacon scale, which is the second meta. And then the color, which is the rest of it. So for I equals 0, wait, I equals 1 rather. I is less than, wait, it'd be 2. Yeah, I is less than, what am I doing? It needs to be, this. Wait a minute. What's happening? How am I doing this? What am I doing wrong? Why did I do this? What? Uh... Okay, guys, I think I'm pretty tired or something because I just went full, complete derp. So it returns 4. Well, it hasn't returned anything because I didn't... Okay. No, we did get it. It is returning true. We just need to do different things. We just need to do this completely different. I didn't want to have to do it like in a way where we scan through every single event. I was trying to put, shorten the amount of for looping. And we still can? Yes, we still can. Yeah, okay, yeah, never mind. We're good. We just have to have something else to be last. Okay. Oh, there's so much crap now. Alright. So the beacon thing we don't need anymore. Beacon's created. Okay, we're good now. I think. Yeah, we're good. So instead of adding the shown events thing by 1, not. There we go. UV beacon. Hmm. I think my brain literally became a cat smiley just now. Uh. So I gotta see if this will work. I think it will. Oh, what? Line 1926. We have an error. We have an error in the year 1926. Wait. Oh. That's why. Oh, no. No. No, I don't. I'm good. Oh, good. It works. It works. Yay. Hands, it's working. Yes, dude. Frick. Awesome. So this part right here is not going to get added unless we, yeah, okay, yeah. So this is, soul power. I got it working, dude. So you want to know what I was doing wrong? Oh, so I was doing this, but what I wasn't doing was putting the colon after the command. So the entire meta was the actual thing. Oh, oh, I got it working. Huh. So yeah, if you're adding it, then it adds to the thing with the thing, becomes a thing. You got to do this last. Mm. Or maybe not, actually. You can do this first. But you got to do this first before doing stuff. Just gonna move that. Hey, Drake. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. All right, guys. If data map dot events I dot meta dot epp display color. There we go. So now we should be able to do this. Upp mini add. Then we should be able to do upp mini color RGBA 255 0 0.5 by 0 0.5. Yes. Ugh, the best feeling relief. That is undefined type error X of undefined. What? 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 What line was that? What line of code is that? 1704. 1704. Hold on now. That messed up my thing where I can. That messed up my array sorting. Or minimizing the processing requirements. Gosh, that's loud. But now it's undefined. And it's going to remain undefined because we need to have this last. So for everyone watching, when you use this, make sure you do this last if you want to add a beacon or anything like that. You need to set the color and then you need to add it. Most of it is still undefined. What the fuck, dude? Why? You know what? Okay. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to sort out through all the events instead because... Oh my god, dude. There goes my arm twitching again. A stupid ass issue. Piece of shit. Hate stupid ass thing, dude. It's like, whatever happened to my arm, I think it's dislocated. Me and Sean talked about it last night. I think it's been dislocated for an entire year. Explain the limited motion I have in it. More bugs fixed, more knowledge pushed. I agree with that. Touche. Even though my issue was kind of a derpy thing, but all right. Well, I need to console log this because this is confusing me. More turds pushed in the toilet. Like, it's undefined. Oh yeah, because see, that's the thing. Like, this needs to be done after adding that, and I think I just need to move the if statement actually to the bottom. That way you can add it anywhere you want, but got a leg twitching. Dude, it sucks, man. It's like, it sucks. It's horrible, isn't it? It keeps you up at night. It's terrifying. So here it is. It's working. Dot meta. No, we need to do, yeah. It should be there. Why? The fuck? Okay, let's just push all this down to the very bottom so that it's yeah, let's just push this down to the bottom. I think that's why. I think that's what's going on. Oh man, that would be hilariously ironic. Why? What is going on? So this has to be first. So we're gonna have to do a display thing. So I can't do the array sorting. Hi Zyle. I managed to grab metadata properly now. But the problem is I'm having a very strong... Hold on. Oh, no, I know what I can do. I know how I can properly sort out the arrays. How do I delete an array entry? What I need to do is scan through each and every event once and set the stuff. You know what? I don't care. It's probably a horrible way of doing it, but I'm just gonna instead of doing the instead of putting only the specific events. Confusing. Delete an array entry. You need to shift the other contents over to the top, over the top of it. Well, basically, what I was thinking of doing was just, it wouldn't make any sense. No, it still wouldn't make any sense. Sure, it's ready. Sure, dude. Send me the link. I'll make you a mod real quick so you can send links. Oh, mother... Stupid thing. I did that on accident. Ignore that. So yeah, guys, he's working on a mode 7 script. Yo, what up? What's supposed to happen? Oh! Dude, that's amazing. I see the performance thing you're talking about, though. It's like 15 frames per second right now. But that's awesome looking. Tiny town. Can you like, is there like a way to look around? Oh. FF6 mode 7. I'll take 20. If you can use page up and page down. Oh. Check that out. You can actually look up at the ceiling. Or like look down at the ground. That's awesome. What happens if you go like super down? Ah, the trippiness. Dude, this is fun. This is a pretty nice little script. Of course, nothing that I'll ever be able to do because I'm too lazy to learn it, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it can't be like super hard if you already know what you're doing, but hold control. Oh, dude, you can zoom. Oh, check that out. Field of view settings? Okay, I don't know how in the world. Okay, we're doing some like pro freaking Doom style stuff here, man. Okay, that makes perfect recreation. Terranigmas. I see what you're saying, I think. But yeah, I'm just gonna scan through every event. Instead of yeah. Data map dot events dot length. Lady girl! If data map dot events dot meta I dot meta dot UBB mini add. So if it's been added, it's gonna display everything. Again like this is probably a horrible way of doing it, but for now this is how I'm gonna do it. I know, right? I envy Zyle's like coding abilities. Like he's super good at programming and stuff. Well, no one can actually technically be good or bad at well, yes you can, but it really all what the hell? Lady girl, what are you barking at? Shut up. Anyway, it really just yes, she is being sad. I gotta go find out what she's barking at least with me though, it really just depends on how dedicated I am to learning it. Like I get extremely bored when trying to look something up for some reason, and that interferes with my ability to look it up. It's weird. Hey, stop. Just saying something. She got all the sayings. Can you check out my website? There's a game trailer and stream. I don't know about doing it. You know, okay, I'll check it out real quick. Cool. Kind of loud. I wish that you would enable controls here so you can turn down the volume and everything. On. There. What is happening? Like, why? Show controls was there. No, it's not. I like the battle system. I'd watch the rest of this later, but like I don't know how loud it is on stream. What are you barking at? Shut up. If you want, Riku, that'd be cool. That's fine, actually. I'm not worried about it. Some good notes. What I can do is scan all the... Yeah, I know. But the redundancy right now that I'm doing, This is the part that sucks. The redundancy of this is it's going to constantly be scanning and checking if each event has the thing, because I can't just see if it has a note tag, because it doesn't matter where you place it. It's not going to be able to use the other notes because it gets processed and everything becomes stupid. And then if you do it the other way, then actually I could have done that a lot better. Like, we didn't need the other variable there. We can just do array.length plus 1. So I don't know why I came up with the other variable. That's another reason, or that's another thing that proves that I was tired. Do it on installation, store the events. Notes don't change. Yeah, I know, that's the issue though. See, like, for example, what I mean is isn't very loud. Oh, loud. Oh, it's fine. Anyway, see, UPP, this has to be added in, and the color has, you can set the color here, but the color doesn't get set. Uh, because okay, if I do this for every single event, and I add, see, like this for example, I didn't need to do the shown events. I can just do array.length plus 1, or just array.length, I think, and then it would still, yeah, it's plus 1, and it would still add it. But the thing is, if I add to the array, see, I can do this though, and then I can do the sorting of the array. I can sort out the arrays after. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try that real quick. Console. Okay, I'm gonna console log this. Minimap. Oh my. I. Not color. I'm just gonna actually just log the entire thing. Now, of course, it should work just fine. It should made of no. That's another issue. Um. Oh no. That issue is coming from up here. I gotta hang on. Just gonna comment this entire chunk out real quick. Be right back, guys. Hang on. My dad's calling me. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Basically, he's on his way home. Here in a bit, he's gonna get some food, and it's amazing because we're having C&K. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I can show you on Tech Googles, but dude, this place has the best. It's in this area. C&K Smokehouse Barbecue, and let me tell you, they have the best freaking food I've ever tasted in my life. And I'm not just exaggerating that. Like, that's the truth. It literally is some of the best food that I've ever had. How do you do that? Remove human ears. Very carefully, Akemi. Anyway, so yeah, it should work now. Everything's undefined. Hmm. Okay, hold on. I gotta yeah, console logs the meta. That's see, that's the thing. It's the meta shouldn't be undefined because if it's, huh? Why is that undefined when this won't be undefined? That shouldn't be undefined because it wouldn't make any sense. Okay, what line? 1919. This doesn't. Oh. Racy, shut up. Quit barking. Meta of undefined 1919 still. Well, it's very fucking clearly there because... Oh, I'm using game maps. That's why. Alright, I'll check it. Yeah, this has the meta properly. 1911 is getting ignored, though, because... So now it should be working, right? So, okay. Oh! That's what was happening. That's what was going on. Holy... Oh, I'm such a... I'm a derp. I'm a derp. Okay, so now this should work just fine. Now I can sort out the arrays and everything, which I'll be working on here in a bit. Oh yeah, this does as well. See, 1918, we have an error. Oh, dot I? What? No. Anyway, I'm very clearly tired because I'm doing like incredibly stupid stuff. That makes no sense. And there we go. Now I can sort out the arrays, and if it doesn't have a that's what I'll do. All right, awesome. I need to log data for that as well. When we set the color, I need to see. Huh. So it adds a string to the RGB coloring. Dun, 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 dun. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here in a minute. $1904. What am I console logging? Oh. For some reason, this isn't console logging. Why is this not console logging? What? The mid is there. Alright, whatever. I'll figure it out later. Anyways, guys, see y'all later. Thank you all so much for watching. It's been a 2.5 hour stream. Wow. I'm going to be working more on this off screen, though. Anyways, see you guys.